my Osos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from this look to this look. This video is an update on some hair that I did in a previous video from Africanmall. This is a full cap human hair unit. Now right now I'm showing you guys the process that I went through to get the short bob style. I started off with freshly washed hair. So you can see this hair when you wash it, it kind of waves up, which I thought was really cute. And now I'm going to go into how I cut it into a bob. So I'm going to speed through this really fast because it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you want to see how I got my bob look, go ahead and continue watching. Remember, all information on this unit will be in my description box, as well as a direct link to africanmall.com. Come in and say a few words about this unit. So in its original state, I don't feel like it complimented me that well. I felt like the density was pretty thin for the length. So now that I cut it, I absolutely am feeling this unit. The bangs needed to be customized to my facial structure, and the bob just makes the hair look so much more flowy. But the pros about this unit is that it didn't tangle whatsoever and it hardly shed. And you can throw it on and go because you don't have to worry about cutting any lace, blending anything. It's like the perfect throw on and go wig. So I love that about this unit. Tell me which style you like best. Did you like it better long, or do you like it better now that I customize it? Again, all links to Africanmall will be in the description box. I can't talk. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.